A certain list L contains a total of n numbers, not necessarily distinct, that are arranged in increasing order. L1 is the list consisting of the first n1 numbers, and L2 is the list consisting of the last n2 numbers in the list L. Is 17 a mode? So what is the mode? Let's quickly understand this first. The mode is defined as the most frequent term of the set. So it is a term which has the maximum occurrences in the given set. So we have to find out that which term is reappearing in the set the maximum number of times. Let's look at the first statement. The first statement says that 17 is the mode of L1 and 17 is the mode of L2. Now, so we have a list L1, we have a list L2. Now, there are two possibilities because the list L1 says that the mode of this set is 17 and the list L2 says that the mode of this set is also 17. So, certainly because the numbers are arranged in increasing order, so if some of the 17s have come here and some of the 17 have gone there, then it's one possibility that there is no overlap. Or if there is no overlap, then there is also possibility that there are some more terms in between. Even if there are some more terms in between, because the last term here and the first term here are all 17 and the terms are in increasing order, so all of them have to be 17. So the possibility is case number 1, that there is some kind of overlap in which we have certain terms 17 and the 17 is L1 set is this while L2 set is somewhat like this, but in this particular case the mode will be 17 because 17 looks like clearly the term which has repeated the maximum number of times. Let's look at another possibility, case 2, in which there is no overlap. That means now in the no overlap also there are two cases that there are some terms in between, and second possibility is there is no term in between. In that case, the list L1 will have certain 17s towards the end of this set. List L2 will have certain 17s in the beginning of the list because all the terms are arranged in ascending order, increasing order. In this case as well, even the 17 will always remain the mode. The reason is that 17 has the maximum frequency. It is the mode of L1, mode of L2, and whether there are some more terms in between or not, if there are some more terms in between, then all those terms will have to be 17 only because the terms are arranged in increasing order. Either way, the mode remains 17, and since we have consistent value of mode, therefore we say that the first statement alone is sufficient to answer, and our answer is limited to option A or option D. The second statement here says that n1 plus n2 is equal to n. That means the two lists do not have any intersection and the terms are completely arranged in these two lists only. But this statement does not give us any information about the possible mode of the two lists, and therefore this statement alone is not sufficient to answer the question, and the answer becomes option A, which states that first statement alone is sufficient but second statement is not sufficient. Thank you so much.